looky here. There's a great big hole in my heart, but it's getting filled again soon. Yes, the Flathead 239 has finished with all of the refurbishment on it. It was a complete breakdown and rebuild on this thing. 72 years. If you saw my previous video that it lived without a rebuild, you saw we had to put on some new things like a clutch pressure plate. I'm pointing there to the new alternator that was just put on not too long ago. But here's some other, there's the old clutch pressure plate, and some other pieces of the engine that got pulled out, some old tubing and things like that, and here's some new stuff. So let's put that engine back in. Alright, and there is the Flathead living again back in the engine bay. Very excited to have it there, looking really good. I can't believe how fast those guys got it in there. It was like 40 minutes, I don't know, something like that on the time release. But that's what you do when you have experienced mechanics who do this kind of stuff every day. It seems amazing to pencil pushers like myself, but wow. Can't wait to get it back fired up very soon.